Hello, importers. Did you know the journey of your goods involves some fascinating numbers? Today, we're cracking the shipping cost code. Assalamu alaikum, guys. Let's navigate the sea of numbers in container shipping from various ports to Karachi. Starting with Shanghai Port, for a 2050 container, you're looking at $2,050, and for a 4050, it's $3,375. Moving over to Ningbo Port, a 2050 container will cost you $2,150, whereas a 40-foot jumps to $3,550. Now, from Qingdao to Karachi, the rates are $2,425 for 20 feet and $3,550 for 40 feet containers. From Shenzhen, it's $2,225 for 20 feet and $3,755 for 40 feet. And here's a twist from Xiamen Port. $275 for 20 feet and a steep $4,025 for 40 feet with 21 days free of charge. Contrast that with Tianjin Port rates at $2,700